In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GitLab app on Android. While there is currently no official GitLab app for Android, you can easily use a third-party client like LabCoat for GitLab. This alternative allows you to manage your GitLab projects right from your phone. Let's dive into the steps to download LabCoat. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is an essential step because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps. Once you tap the icon, the app will load, displaying a variety of apps available for download. It is important to ensure you are downloading from a trusted source, and the Google Play Store is the best place for that. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is where you can enter the name of the app you want to find. By tapping on the search bar, you will see your keyboard appear, allowing you to type. Always make sure to spell the app name correctly to find the exact app you need. This little step saves you time later in the process. Now type LabCoat for GitLab into the search field. Be sure to enter the name exactly as it is. After typing, you will see a list of search results appear below. This is an important action because it determines whether you find the correct app. If you make a typo, you might end up with an unrelated app. Once you have entered the name, select LabCoat for GitLab by commit 451 from the list of results. You can identify it by the developer's name, commit 451. Selecting the right app is crucial for ensuring you download a reputable client. This helps keep your data safe and your experience smooth. Next, tap the Install button. This action will begin downloading the app to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the installation is complete. This step is vital because you need the app installed before you can use it. Wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. It is worth noting that downloading apps from the Play Store is generally quick and straightforward. You will receive a notification once the installation is complete, giving you peace of mind that everything is working properly. After that, tap Open. This button will appear on the screen once the installation is done. Tapping Open will launch the LabCoat app and you will be greeted with its welcome screen. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can start using the app right away. Finally, sign in with your GitLab.com account or your self-managed GitLab server. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure a successful login. This step is essential because it connects you to your projects and repositories. Once logged in, you can begin managing your GitLab tasks directly from your Android device. And there you have it. You now know how to download and set up LabCoat for GitLab on your Android phone. Enjoy managing your projects on the go with this handy app. Thank you for watching.